Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh my god. I'm so petrified and scared to even check my mail. Oh my god, I'm so anxious about how it's going to be when I enter the office. Oh my god, one more coming in. Oh my god, when do I reply to this? Oh my god, when do I finish off my core work? So if you relate with this, I'm not going to keep it a mystery. Firstly, I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of a setup in New Delhi NCR. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Where we have products, we consult on designs and concepts, and we've got corporate gifting items and lots of customization on products with semi-precious stone, um, and materials like marble and stuff like that. Okay, so at the onset, all those things, sometimes even I wake up, oh my god, now I'm going to go to the office and I'm going to log into my computer, and oh my god, there are going to be so many emails and stuff or so many calls coming in. So so if you're amongst those people who has this thing about uh, too many emails happening to you or too many calls coming into you, too much happening where you're not able to focus on your entire work, this is a realistic scenario in a lot of offices, as you see around you in the media, at corporate communication offices, PR, branding, advertising, marketing, editorial, entertainment, FMB, or industrial work, factory work and stuff. Emailing and calling happens most of the time, right? A lot of people are stressed, a lot of people are anxious, a lot of people are even scared to log in and stuff, and a lot of people are tired and exhausted because they have too much happening for them. So what's the solution for this? So the solution is to, with experience, narrow down and assign yourself and your clients and your associates a calling time and an email time, right? So during the calling time, you're going to be available only for calling and for responding to all your phone calls and queries and stuff like that, be it from clients. Uh, First half an hour, probably important clients. Next half an hour, maybe for suppliers, vendors, or whoever. I mean, you will know your business better. And the second is email time. This is the only time I respond, and I only check my email, and I'm available and accessible to reply only when I'm available over email. So as a result of that, your clients get trained, your associates and vendors get trained, your PR team gets trained, your advertising team gets trained, your important work doesn't suffer, you're able to kind of finish off something else. So this is from an example. One girl walked up to me and she said, यार इतने सारे emails आ रहे हैं और इतने सारे calls आते हैं, ma'am, I don't know what to do. And I was sitting with her at a forum, and I told her, I said, this is the way to go about it, and this is what I do because I learned this during Corona, that any odd hour people will call you either in the morning or the evening, and it happens even now, like people will message you late in the night and stuff, not respecting your timing and stuff. So it's not them, but it's you who has to personally and professionally train them and set the rules that I'm only available at so and so time for either calling or for messaging, and that reduces a lot of your unnecessary, I wouldn't say the word anxiety, but a lot of unnecessary workload and a lot of distractions, and a lot of unnecessary stuff that you take on yourself because you're in the middle of a concept, you're in the middle of a design, you're in the middle of a meeting, and suddenly you start getting either emails or phone calls and stuff. You're distracted, and you may not be able to kind of handle or take a realistic or a practical decision. So go with this. A settled or a simple way to say would be that do not let your email and your phone take over your work, and the more time you spend over email, the less efficient, less creative, less productive you are, and the higher your stress levels can be. And stress is not always negative, it can be positive and it can be negative stress as well. And when you set up the time and stuff, it helps you improve on your own way of functioning, your own discipline, your own structure. And that, let's say, from 11 to 1, I'm going to be doing my concepts or my creative work, or I'm going to be kind of designing or writing a strategy or making a presentation. So probably I should start maybe after that, maybe from 1 to 1:30 I'll have a call, or I'll check my emails only in the morning, like most billion-dollar company owners do, or most innovative people do. Wake up in the morning at 5 and check your mails and start sending emails all across the world. And I think I shared this from an international CEO. He woke up in the morning, he went for a jog, went for a walk with his dog, he came back, had his coffee, had his breakfast, had his bath, and he started connecting with people between 6 to 8 and checking on how they're doing and stuff. So yes, discipline is important, structure is important, but being flexible around it is equally important. And when you do this, you don't have unnecessary decisions to take and stuff, unnecessary things to focus on and stuff and all. And as a result of that, I've already shared it, that both your client and your team and associates get trained, so do you. And now you know that you're going to be more responsible, or you're going to be more focused in your responding, or in taking action, or in kind of scheduling other things around it and stuff. So hope this helps. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor interior solutions. We do luxury, premium, and affordable. So get in touch with us. We've got lots and lots of products. And now, with the festive season approaching and stuff, we've also got a new collection of corporate gifts and gifting hampers. Not all pictures are shared of products online, so get in touch. Catalogs can be sent to you because that's the easiest, and we can connect on the phone or over email and stuff, and we can definitely meet up if it's serious. And we are working on our other brand identity, modes of communication and stuff. So we'll be back with a bang. So thanks for writing in, thanks for your messages, thanks for your appreciation on my concepts and stuff, and looking forward to implementing this this insight I've given even for myself and stuff, because even if you've been in this line of work, and you've been a professional, or you've been a creative person, or you've been a designer, or you're an entrepreneur, you're working around the clock and stuff. So always a good idea to kind of structure yourself, and nobody else will do it for you. You have to do it. Or if you're going in for a job, or you're going in for a assignment or a project, or you're joining a firm, try and ask them what their work structure, response times are like and stuff. And it definitely works, because I've done this practically when I used to work for a mall. I was handling a branding agency, I was having an event management agency, I was handling all the vendors and the associates there. I was handling about 230, 240 clients within the mall and stuff, the radio, TV people, and the media, and the operations team and stuff, and the marketing team and all. So this helped me big time. I would go in the morning, and I would log into my Outlook, and I would send my emails, then I would check in the afternoon, and then I would just respond between 4 and 6. So my clients and everybody knew that she's going to be available only at this time. Rest of the stuff was all about meetings in the boardroom, and all about creative work, strategy, presentations and stuff, and concepts and stuff. So that's how the department was being headed by me. Yeah. So take care, love and luck. Now I do my own stuff. I head a firm, as I've already shared. So all those lessons that we've learned in our careers, around streamlining, scheduling, and keeping your creativity and keeping your mindset focused, this is the way to do it. So go ahead and be my guest if you want to write in, and you want to kind of leave some comments and stuff. I'm available on LinkedIn, I'm available on Facebook, I'm available on Instagram, but I do not engage in too many messages and stuff. You can reach me via email, jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapani.im@gmail.com, and jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com. And take out time for simpler things. Charge yourself with coffee. This really works. This is another way to boost your efficiency and work very well, with being alert and kind of getting your energy levels up and stuff. So take care, love and luck. Bye bye. Cheers.